Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you a vegetarian recipe, and it's very tasty and very delicious. I'll be making chana dal, and I'm going to bring a twist into my chana dal by adding 1 can of garbanzos, or we call it typical Punjabi chitte chole, and these are pre-cooked. I'm just going to wash it right now with the cold water. Drain the water. We'll put it in a pressure cooker along with the 3-cup water. Place it on a burner. Going to give 2 whistles. Along with the dal, we're going to use 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, and these 2 Kashmiri mirch I'm going to use with the tadka. Other ingredients we need is 1 inch ginger cut into small pieces, 4 garlic cloves, 1 green chili, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 large onion and large tomato, finely chopped. At the end, once the dal is all ready, we're going to use a half lemon juice. Olive oil for tadka. To garnish our dal, we're going to use 2 teaspoons cilantro. This is dry cilantro, you can use it fresh. Let's start making our delicious chana dal with chole. What I have done with the dal, I washed with the cold water and I drained the water. Salt and turmeric powder. 3 cups water. Cover it and we'll place it on the burner. Start burner. Place pressure cooker on top of it. We're going to wait for the 2 whistles. This is the second whistle. Turn off the burner. And we're not going to touch anything. We're going to leave it as is. Let it cool down. And on this side, on the second burner, we'll start our tadka. Get a pot. You can use any vegetable oil if you don't have olive oil. 1 tablespoon olive oil. We bring the pressure cooker on the back burner so it will cool down faster. As the oil starts to heat up, add cumin seed, jeera, and add 2 Kashmiri mirch. Mix it. Give like a 10 seconds. This is good. Add onion. Mix it well. Keep it moving and keep cooking until onions are nicely translucent. Cooking onion for 3 minutes. Now I'll add ginger, garlic, mix it well, and we're going to cook tadka really well. So keep it moving and keep cooking. Onion is nicely brown. Now add green chili. Mix it well and cook green chili along with tadka half a minute. Cooking green chili along with tadka half a minute. Now add tomatoes. Mix it well. Bring your gas to medium. Spread it evenly. Cover with the lid and cook it for 3 minutes. It's exactly 3 minutes. I'll open it. Mix it well. As you can see, the tomatoes are nicely tender. This is all we need. Now add spices. Cumin, coriander, garam masala. Mix it well. The salt and turmeric powder we added into the pressure cooker, so we're not adding more salt, but you always can adjust salt according to your taste. Cooking spices along with tadka for 1 minute. Add 1 can of garbanzo, chitte chole. Mix it. Bring your gas high We're going to cover with the lid and we're going to bring it to boil. As you see, it started to boil and the pressure cooker has been cooled down. We're going to open it. And if we can check our dal is nicely done. And if we can mash it, it's nicely mashed. Put my gloves on. Make sure that you don't burn yourself. This is hot, boiling. Mix it well. The whole reason we bring the water to boil, because even though the garbanzos are fully cooked, we wanted to make sure that they are hot enough before we mix the dal. Now we're going to bring the dal in the pressure cooker, full transfer. Mix it well. This is a perfect gravy. If you want to make it running gravy, you can add 1 cup more water, but this is perfect. So this is one of the reasons when you have your garbanzo, chitte choles are boiling, and as we added dal, it's still boiling. Now we're going to bring the gas to medium, cover with the lid, and we're going to cook it on medium gas for 5 minutes. Cooking for 5 minutes on a medium heat. I'll open it. Mix it. Dal with garbanzos is fully done. Now we're going to add cilantro. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, now we're going to add fresh lemon juice. These are seedless lemon. If you have a seed inside the lemon, put some seed before extracting the juice. This is going to bring a little bit tanginess flavor to our dal. And I'm going to turn off the gas and I'm going to dish out. I got my serving bowl ready, and look at our delicious dal with chole. This is very delicious recipe. Please try it and you're going to like it. And let me share with you our tasty and delicious vegetarian recipe, chana dal with chitte chole with garbanzos. Please try it, and this is very good combination and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, subscribe, Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.